What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money, okay? And that being said, as always, guys, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, now we always hear about people talking about generational wealth. Okay, that's what I want to talk about today. Okay, then we will look at how the market's been performing. Okay, after that we'll look at our positions. Like I always say, you have to follow along. And those of you who joined me from the start, I'm pretty sure that you are sitting on some good amount of money right now. For that, congratulations, because this is just the start. Okay, from the in 10 to 14 months from now, this time next year, guys, I'm very excited. I'm very excited to see what next year is going to bring. Anyways, generational wealth. A lot of people think that for you to make generational wealth, well, maybe if you hit the lottery, you can make it all in 24 hours. Okay, you can do it. Other times, like if you buy stocks, average time for you to make generational wealth with stocks is anything between 5 to 10 years. Okay, but right now in front of us, we have these crypto assets. Crypto makes you have generational wealth a lot quicker than many people think. A lot quicker, but all depends on exactly how you manage yourself, how you are going to do it. Okay, I give you examples. Casper. Okay, that is one reason why I am so bullish on Casper. I give you example of Casper. If you buy, and again, it's not financial advice. Okay, it's not. If you buy Casper, okay, for example, you buy Casper today at 17 cents. 100,000 Casper will get you there about $17,000, I think it is. A lot of people don't have it. That's why I always say 10,000 Casper. It's not for you to be generational wealth with 10,000, but it gives you a step into generational wealth. Because if you buy 10,000 Caspers today and Casper goes to $10, now you have $100,000 to start with. You understand? If you buy it today and you held on to it, let's just say you don't want to sell it all. Let's just say you only sell 50,000 Caspers and and then the other 50,000 let it ride. The market is going to go up and down. That is definitely sure it's going to happen. But I don't think Casper is going to do like any other assets. Like they're usually going up in bull market and then drop 99% in the bear market. I don't think Casper is going to do that, because Casper right now is in levels that you don't even imagine. People usually compare with the Ethereum, and I tell you guys, Ethereum, when it came out, not many people knew about cryptocurrencies. Right now, a lot of people know what a crypto is, what a crypto does, and people are researching which of them has fundamentals, which of them is good for the environment, which of them is good for my pockets. People are researching, and they're going to come to that conclusion that Casper is better than Bitcoin. Very soon you are going to see it, because Casper does things that Bitcoin cannot do. Okay, but Bitcoin cannot do things that Casper can do. You get my drill? You get my drill? So Casper is superior to Bitcoin in a lot of ways. Same thing goes to quant. I usually tell guys, close your eyes a little bit. Just close your eyes and see the world for what it is. Stop looking at the buyers, all the nonsense around you. Close your eyes and imagine. Because generational wealth happens slowly, but only those who know I can see and can see it immediately make a lot of money. Like for example, if you look at the history, when money went from pure gold, because people used to trade gold coins, this and that, to paper money. Okay, gold became a reserve. Okay, how much gold do you own and how much paper is it worth? And then it went from that to where we are today, to the dollar. Those of them who could see that, you know what, I think there's gonna be a time when gold is gonna be very valuable, they started accumulating on gold. And those are the people that rule the world today. The most recent example is back in 2008. You remember when the economy crashed? Economy crashed. Everybody was like, "Oh my God, I better hold the money. I better hold the dollar." But those who were smart, they were buying stocks, Apple stocks, Amazon stocks, Google stocks. I mean, people were buying. Those who were smart enough to see where the trend is going, they were buying stocks. Fast forward till today. Compare the price of Amazon stocks in 2008 and compare it today. The same thing. Compare the Google stocks from 2008 and compare it today. Yeah, it probably went down due to the recession, but you still up thousands and thousands of percentage. Okay. The same thing I'm telling you guys about Quant. Quant right now is in a position that only those who know. Like, that's why I always say, if you know, you know. Only those who know are going to make a lot of money. Excuse me. Like I always say, okay, in Quant, only those who know where this trend is leading are going to make a lot of money. Swift, like systems get really old and they always get replaced. For now, Quant is the one, guys. I'm telling you, Quant is the one that you don't want to miss. Because Quant, with their Enbridge technology, okay, that Enbridge project that came out, they are going to replace the Swift system. That's what's going to happen. Okay, that is what I'm seeing. And only few of you out there, really, if you do your research, you're going to know it. The Enbridge is going to replace the Swift system. Okay, people are talking about XRP. XRP being cross-border, this and that. And I'm telling you guys, I don't know how to say this. Look at the total supply of XRP. Look at the market cap of XRP. Okay, now go back. Okay, look at the total supply of Quant. Look at the market cap of Quant. Now, which one do you think, in both short term and long term, which one do you think is going to make you more money? Look at the utility only. Look at XRP, Stellar Lumens, and the rest of them, grandpa, whatever you want to call them, grandma. Compare them to Quant. Look at the utility. Which of them has more utility? And which of them has really been working on what they are talking about? XRP is not going to be the cross-border payments. Guys, I've said it over and over again. XRP is an ISO 20 coin. And these coins are on Quant over Ledger. You understand me? They are all on Quant over Ledger. Now, the over ledger is what people are going to use, you know, to transfer money from here over there, no matter what currency, no matter what crypto coin it is. They are going to use the over ledger. And the sweet part about it is that for them to use the over ledger, they are going to need to hold Quant. They are going to need to hold coin. So you getting into Quant right now, in both short term and long term, is way bigger wealth transfer and bigger money making opportunity than anybody is telling you. That's what I'm saying. Those are two coins. Casper, you get into Casper right now, trust me, by 2030 Casper will be there between $50 to $100 per coin. and you will see it. Casper will be there between $50 to $100 per coin. Quant, you get into Quant right now, guys. The price is something like, everybody keeps asking, how high do you see Quant going? And I'm telling you guys, once these projects, Rosalind, Project Gateways, and the policies get approved, you're about to see Quant start to run like a mad dog. And I'm talking about, you can see Quant go to $2,000-3,000 in a very short period than you expect. That leads me to Jasmy. So Jasmy, again, Internet of Things. They have a whole country that thinks that Jasmy is better than Bitcoin. I don't know why, I don't know how, but that's what they think. So this is an opportunity for you. Buy you whatever amount of Jasmy you are going to hold. I showed you guys the other day in one of my videos. I hold almost 100,000 Jasmy coins. So I hold almost 800,000 Jasmy coins. I'm very open about it. So for me, excuse me, when talking about Jasmy, for me, once it comes, I will start looking. I gave you guys my take profit points already. On my spot accounts, once Jasmy crosses 60 cents, or it's about to cross 60 cents, I'm gonna sell like 500,000 coins. I'll sell those, and the rest will just ride. If it goes to $1, good. If it goes back to 0, oh well, that's what it is for me. So you need to think about those kind of things. Yeah, you need to think about those kind of things. What kind of wealth do you want to do? Do you just want to be, rich for this season? After this season, go back to working your 9 to 5? Or do you want to have generational wealth for both the short term and the long term? If you hold Quant, guys, you are set for life. Not just any amount. Like I usually say, try to get at least 100 Quant coins. You are set for life, because Quant, in the near future, Quant is going to be more valuable than Bitcoin. You are, guys, you're about to see it. The same thing. Okay, let me see. The same thing goes with Casper. Because Casper, guys, once they launch these smart contracts, Casper is going to be very, very valuable. It's going to take all this market share from all these layer ones. Everything on this layer ones is going to move on Casper. Trading volume, projects, whatever you want to call them, they are going to be on Casper. So right now, it's what I call generational wealth. For the short term, I have Casper. I'm a shark. Like I told you guys, this bull run, I don't plan on selling more than 10% of my holdings. On this bull run, I'm planning on selling whatever that I mine, plus probably 100 or 80,000 coins of my spot account, and that's it. The rest I'm holding, because I believe Casper, guys, 2030, Casper will be worth probably $50 or $100 thereabouts. It's generational wealth. Do it for yourself, do it for your family, do it for whoever you gotta do it for. But the point is, we want to get from working for everybody, trading your time for a paycheck, to doing whatever you want to do. I don't say quit working or quit doing things after you get that wealth, because that's how you make sure that that wealth keeps growing, either by investing into another coin or by starting a company or whatever you're gonna do. Okay, so now let's go look at the market right quick. Okay, like I usually do every day. Let's check the importance, the performance of the market for the past 24 hours. So let's go back right quick into my crypto bubbles. Right here, crypto bubbles. As you can see, the market is still doing the same like yesterday. Okay, there is a lot of bleeding, mostly on coins on the Ethereum chain. Like I told you guys, people are doing the buy the rumor, I mean, like sell the event or buy, so whatever, I don't know how to say it. That's what is happening. But us, we are all only interested in 3 coins. Those 3 coins, which are King Casper, Quant, and Jasmy. So let's go look at those coins, how they are performing today. So if you look at Casper, KAS, right now, you will see in the past hour, Casper is down 0.1%. Guys, look at the other numbers. On the day, okay, this is very funny because I was telling you guys this yesterday. Look at that. On the day, Casper is up 0.6%. 1% up on the week and 21% up on the month. I told you guys yesterday, it's time for you to get in. Start making your positions, because you remember yesterday we probably was down like what, -3% or something like that, or 2%, I don't remember. Go look at the videos, you will see it. And I told you guys, make a move. Now let's look at Quant, QNT. Look at Quant right quick. Quant, on the hour we're down 0.2%, on the day we're down 0.8%, and on the week we're down 6.9%. Again, you gotta look at the numbers, okay? Look at the overall on the yearly and everything else, because I'm telling you guys, Quant bottomed out at 60, I think it was $66 where he went. That was the bottom for Quant. So you want to miss the opportunity, that's up to you, not financial advice. But hey, you better look at the trends. Now look at Jasmine, JAS, Jasmine. Jasmine is up on the hourly 0.2%. Okay, on the day we are up 2.9%. On the week we're down 6%, and yearly Jasmine is still up 648%. You understand? So now, like I said, these numbers, when you look at them in details, excuse me, these numbers, when you look at them in details, they are only telling you one thing: the market is moving sideways, it's prepping up. The market is getting ready for an explosive move. The Ethereum ETF, you're only seeing last time I checked, we saw an inflow about $90 million. So this thing is just prepping up. Okay, they're about to manipulate the market the way you have not seen, because I told you proof of stake coins are very, very easy to manipulate. The reason being, proof of stake coins, you don't really have anything to support them other than the trust of the people. Understand? It's not like proof of work coins that you really you are trading your electricity, your miners, and whatever you're doing for the coin. That's what they are backed on. Or so some people will be like, nah, I'm gonna hold on to it for this. But people on proof of stake, it is just made up. A quantity was made up out of thin air and it was given to people. So now it's up to you. Most of the time, they have VCs, people who invested way before you in the pre-seed, put their money, and they get all this bunch of coins. You understand? So yeah, Ethereum, guys, I mark my words. I told you guys, this ETF is the beginning of the end of Ethereum. You just mark my words. But anyways, now let's go back on my trading view and check on the prices in more details. Okay, trading view. Let's go right there. Trading view. Okay, let's start with King Casper. On Casper, we are on the 1 hourly. Okay, on the 1 hour, let me zoom out right quick. Guys, this is just very funny to me, because yesterday, like I kept telling you guys, remember I told you guys we were facing this excuse me, let me start on the 4 hours. Sorry, the 4 hours I think is way better. I told you guys yesterday, Casper was in this triangle, and in this triangle, okay, we were like both resistance and support. This line of support has been here, guys. It has been here for the longest. I had this traced since January, I think. So Casper has been respecting this, and on top of that we have the line, the Fibonacci lines, which the price has been respecting pretty good. So now if you look, yesterday I told you guys that the price was going to bounce on that. See, we came down, price bounced right on it, on target. Now we are above that Fibonacci line right now. Fibonacci line, Casper is testing it, probably is going to turn it into the support, chug along, probably touch this again, the support, and then go up. We don't have much left, guys. We don't have much left before this thing go try the the upper resistance. So if you zoom in, now let me zoom in right quick. You see, we broke above the Fibonacci. That is a very good sign, guys. It is a very good sign. So we are above the fib. This fib right now probably is going to act as support, and then before we bounce right back up again. Look at it on the daily. On the daily, Casper on the daily paints that story again. Look at it right there. Let me do it better. Zoom in there. On the daily, you can even see it a little bit clearer than on the hourly. Price came down, touched the support, went up. Right now we are trying to break, you know, even a little bit higher, because here we are above the fib retracement. The high that we're trying to take is this 18.6. 18.6. If you can turn that into support, guys, this thing is about to go try all-time high, and after that we gone. Remember that the month of July is almost over, and the smart contracts, guys, they say there will be some time probably there by before the end of this month or towards the first or second week of August. Guys, this is lining up perfectly with that, because if you look on the excuse me, crap, excuse me for a second. Okay, let's go look at the migration. Excuse me for a second. If you look on the migration, because I'm telling you guys, this thing right here, see, look at that today. Yesterday we was like 5.7% left. Today we are down again 4.25. So the migration is moving very smoothly. Casper is about to be 100% migrated, and once that happens, guys, with the implementation of this smart contract, Casper is about to run. You better just get your bags ready. Like I always said, do the opposite, guys. So yeah, that is exactly what you're looking at right now. We are chugging along with just going sideways. That's what the market is doing. A lot of people are expecting to dump, and I'm telling you guys, it's not going to happen. Now let's go look at Quant right quick. Quant QNT. Quant QNT on Binance. There you go. There you go. Quant is doing exactly like I told you guys it's going to do. Because Quant, like I said, we were forming this inverse. Let me zoom out just a little bit. We are on the daily. Okay, you see it is respecting the lines of support perfectly. Quant right now, we formed this first shoulder. We formed the head. Now we are forming the second shoulder. As you can see on the daily, we touch the support perfectly, and now Quant is looking to form the second shoulder that will take off. If we break out of there, this will take off above that $96. Okay, and that's gonna be the first start. Now there is another resistance at the 104, which for me, I think once Quant break that 96, we are about to get that $104. We get above it again, guys, Quant is gone. There's major resistance at the 120, and then the ultimate resistance, which is on the weekly, is around 150, 155, thereabout. Okay, you look at it on the 1 hourly. Okay, Quant is getting affected, because remember, Quant is an Ethereum coin. It's on the Ethereum chain. But yesterday I told you guys, we were just chugging along. Look right here on the support. That's what is happening on the support, and in a couple of hours, or if not by tomorrow, probably on Saturday, you're about to see this thing reverse and Quant starts to go up. Look at that. You look at the pattern. It tries to go, comes back down. From the curve, tries to go, comes back down. Forms another curve. We're about to form another one, try to go. The inverse M pattern. So this is very bullish. Okay, we are not forming how do you say, we are forming W's. Okay, that's what we are forming. Look at that. It tries to go, it tries to go, it tries to go. Now let's see how we do here. Probably this time will be the lucky charm, but Quant is getting ready for this. So looking at the 4 hourly, let's go on the 4 hour right now. Look, Quant is doing exactly the same, testing the support, and now as you see, we are about to start. See how the curve, look at how the curve is going. It's forming a rounded bottom curve, which would start taking Quant higher. So guys, I told you before, you need to be in right now. You need to be in. Don't wait for anybody to tell you different. Okay, now let's look at Jasmy. Jasmy, Jasmy, Binance right there. The same thing. Yesterday, I told you guys, we were going to get supported, okay? We were going to get supported by the moving average. That's what I told you guys yesterday. Or, look here. Price came down, immediately got bought right back up. So right now, just me getting sandwiched between the ribbon and the 200 moving average. Before you know it, this thing, like you see, this is a W pattern. A W pattern that is falling, and before you know it, Jasmine is even going higher than you think. If you look at it on the 1 hourly, okay, look, on the 1 hourly, it is forming a classic bull flag. This is the pole, okay, the resistance. Now this thing is going to reverse and keep on the trajectory upwards. All this you're looking at right now, let me go to daily, because it's easier to explain on the daily. All this thing you're looking at right now is forming an inverse head and shoulder. First shoulder, head. Now we are forming the second shoulder. When this thing breaks to the upside, which is probably going to be sometime this weekend, you're about to see this going up there to retest the resistance at 3.8, 3.7. But don't forget, we do have a resistance above somewhere around here, around 3.2, 3.3. Okay, don't forget that. We need to break that too. So, but I think it's going to be very easy for Jasmine to break all these resistances very soon, because like you can see, the Ethereum ETF is going to provide all the momentum that you need to make all this happen. So now, excuse me. Now, like I always say, this is an opportunity for you to 5x your money, 10x your money, even 20x, depending on your experience. Again, I do not condone leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. But if you do, below I do have Phemex and Bydfi links. You can use those, sign up, start growing your account. Once you start growing, as soon as you get comfortable, take your initial money out and start trading with the free money, because those guys, using the links below, they give you free money to trade with. Okay, so now let's go look at my positions. My long term, which are on Bydfi, and my short terms, which are on Phemex. Please follow along, check yours to see how good you've been doing. You probably be laughing with me right now if you started following me, like let's say 2 or 3 months ago. Okay, but anyways, let's go to Bydfi right quick. Let's go to Bydfi, which is here. Again, as you can see, my overall is still chugging along. It's just going sideways. We're being between $20,000 to $32,000. That's what we're just going. It's ranging. But I told you guys, this right here is going to be a 6 figures in the upcoming 8 to 10 months. You're about to see it. But anyways, you see that? That's my overall. Today I'm still at 25,700, almost 25,800 on my contracts. See, Quant, wow, that's an opportunity. Quant is down $72. That's a big opportunity right there. But anyways, looking at the contracts, you can see my Jasmine, I'm still up 64%, which is $2,000. Whoa, it went up because yesterday I was down on that. My Quant, I'm up 24%, which is 1,100. That also, I think it went up. Now let's look at the King itself. King Casper, wow, I'm up to King Casper 76%, which is 6,300. Okay, these are positions I plan to keep to the top of the bull run, or closer to the top as possible, because nobody knows. Or any day I feel like I think I've made enough, I will start closing them there. But anyways, now let's go look at my short term. My short term, which are on Phemex right there. Let me sign in. Okay, biometrics, sign in. Okay. So these ones, if you remember, yesterday I was down to, I think, close to $9,000, but today my overall is up $10,000. Again, these are my short term. I take profit based on resistance and supports on the charts. Okay, if you look at my contracts, okay, look at my contracts here on my Jasmine, I'm still up 162. Wow, it kind of went up because I was down 140 something yesterday. 162%, which is 2,700. On my Casper, I'm still chugging sideways, still 17%, which is 795, almost $800. But again, you got to look at your resistance, okay? Look at the resistance, because Jasmine is looking to go to 5 cents from 5 to the target of 10 cents, 9 or 10 cents on the weekly resistance. Then you have 12 cents. 12 cents, there's a little bit of resistance at 15 cents. Then we have the ultimate resistance at 20 cents. At 20 cents, I'm like I told you guys, if I don't take profit, all these ones that I just mentioned, at 20 cents, I am going to take probably 50 or 70% of my profits on my short-term trade. Okay, the same thing goes to Casper. Casper right now, guys, this thing is about to run like a mad dog. We're looking at 30 cents. From 30, we're looking at 60 cents. Or even $1, because the exchanges are going to start listing it. Okay, so that being said, guys, this is generational wealth. You do not want to get left behind. You better make those moves right now, guys. You better make those moves for the short term, which is in 10 months you make you enough money. But also know that it's not just about the short term. It's about the next 10 years. Guys, short term, yes, you are going to make money, but in the next 10 years, if you play your cards right, you are not just going to be a millionaire. You're probably going to make it into 20, 30, or even $100 million level. That's what I am planning on doing. I don't know about you, but that's what I am planning on doing. Okay, simple stuff like that. Like I have coins on spot. I do have my quantum spot. I do have Casper on spot. I do have Jasmine on spot. But what do I want to do for the short term? Okay, short term, excuse me. Right there. Short term, I will show you just right quick on the next 10 months, okay? Because like I said, I believe Quant is probably going to blow up to 3 grand or even more than that. Casper, you guys already know. I say it in all my videos, $10. Okay, or if he doesn't get this, it's going to get close to it. I believe Casper will get a $10 because the volume, the trading, well, we're about to see when the smart contracts get applied to Casper. You will see what I'm talking about. But like, look at this quick. Let me take you again to my long-term trades. Long-term trade, which means these trades are going to be closed probably in the next 10 to 12 months. By this time next year, I will be making evaluations to see if I want to close them or not. But look at this right quick. Let me go back here right quick. See, this is my Quant. Okay, Quant. By the time this thing gets there, let's say 2,500, Quant, Quant is going to make me $367,000. That is what Quant is going to make me. Let's just say, okay, I did not wait until it gets there. I just want to wait until it gets to, let's say, 1,500. This thing is going to make me $216,000. Now, with an investment of what? Investment of, as you can see, on my Quant, I only put in $4,700 right here. That's what I put in. The same thing goes to Casper. Guys, I already have, you see my take profit on Casper, I already have it at $10. If it doesn't get there, depends on what points we are in the bull run, I might close it earlier. If not, I'll just let it run. But as you can see, Casper, this is short term. If it gets to $10, this position will make me $982,000, almost $1 million. Now, this is what I'm planning on for the short term. For long term, it's a different game. It's a different story, guys. I'm planning to keep accumulating Casper. I'm planning to keep accumulating Quant, because I'm telling you, Quant staking is going to make you more money than you ever think, that you ever thought. That's what I'm saying on Quant. So yeah, you need to think about it. After you make this money now for this run, what's your next step? My next step is to keep, making it multiply. Okay, I'm planning on building a bigger mining farm on Casper. Okay, I'm planning on building a bigger mining farm on Casper. I'm planning on accumulating more and more Quant. You get my drill? So yeah, we will see. Again, guys, it's generational wealth, and this wealth transfer has never been more easier than what is in front of your face today. Do not let it pass you. I'm still going to be here doing these videos. We're still going to be checking our portfolios together to see how good we are doing or how bad we are doing. we're still gonna be here, but I guarantee you it's gonna be the first one, because we're gonna do pretty good in 10 months from now, and it all starts right now. So guys, thank you for checking out my videos. Please subscribe, okay? We want to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Please comment. I really appreciate all your comments. I read them all, and I learn a lot from them too. And also, please share these videos so that other people with millionaire minds like you and I can get these videos, and the family can grow all together. So guys, again, thank you for checking out my videos, and I see you in my next one. Bye bye.